I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up notifications on your PNC online account can help you stay on top of your finances. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings option in the main menu. This is usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select notifications. In the account settings menu, look for the notifications section. Click on it to view your notification preferences. Step 4. Choose your notification types. You will see various options for notifications, such as transaction alerts, balance updates, and more. Select the types of notifications you want to receive. Step 5. Set delivery preferences. Decide how you want to receive these notifications via email, text, or both. Make sure to enter the correct contact information. Just a quick tip, if you choose text notifications, ensure your mobile number is verified in your account settings to avoid missing alerts. Now you're all set to receive notifications from PNC Online. Enjoy staying updated on your finances.